What's up? It's Kat and Deb from Two Market Girls. Welcome back to another
Taste
investigation.
Test. Yeah, taste test.
Burger time.
Yeah, burgers. So we did a burger video a few years ago, either 2018 or 2019. Don't remember when exactly it was. And we basically tried Beyond Burger and a bunch of veggie burgers.
Yeah.
And like Yves and stuff like that. This time, we decided to do this again because there's been so many like faux meat burgers.
Yeah.
And we thought we'd try and find the ones that are our favorite. So we bought the most common that we can find here in Canada, based in Toronto and Hamilton.
We have 8.
Yeah, we have 8 total.
8. We bought 8.
So we have the Zoglos?
Sure.
Zoglos. I've had stuff from this brand before and I've hated it. So I don't have high hopes. No offense.
We have Life Smart, plant-based meatless burger.
This is like the Walmart brand, right? No.
That's weird because I got it at Metro.
This is the Metro brand.
Oh,
Whatever.
It's their own?
Yeah, Life Smart is the Metro brand.
Oh yeah, it says Metro on the back.
Yeah. We also have Impossible. This is not a grocery store brand.
We have Soul Cuisine. Their extreme griller because they have a few veggie patties.
Yeah, they have a bunch. We also have the President's Choice Undeniable Burger. They also have a few. They have like some veggie burgers, but this is their like faux meat burger. This one's from a new company called Notco. So I don't know if it's available in the States. I have no idea if it's a Canadian company or not, but they have milk and burgers that I've seen pop up everywhere.
Like Not Milk.
Yeah, Not Milk is theirs. And then these are their like Not Burgers.
Not Burger.
So I brought those. This is a Roadhouse plant-based burger. You can get them at Costco here in Canada. Used to be my favorite burger. We'll see. I haven't had them in a long time. And then the Beyond Burger.
Classic.
These are all from my house. That's why they're nice.
We are gonna cook them all up and then taste test.
Yeah. We're gonna see which one's our favorite, which one we think is the meatiest, because they might not be the same. Our favorite might be different from what we think is the meatiest.
Yes, we'll be judging
or
on
the
scale.
most like convincing.
Okay, convincing.
So yeah, meaty
Personal?
texture.
Okay.
Like I feel like texture, flavor, whether it's convincing as meat or not.
Okay.
And then
we like it?
Do we like it?
Overall,
would we buy it again?
User experience.
Is it worth the money?
Yeah.
Okay. User experience. All right, so we're basically just gonna probably pan fry them, right?
Yep.
We're just gonna do a bunch of that right now.
BRB.
We're gonna cook them all, right?
Yeah, one of each.
Nope.
Stop.
All at once, though, is what I meant.
Yeah.
And then try them all
Yeah,
at once.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, here's all the burgers out.
We wanted to look at them all raw. First impressions.
Yep. Which one do you think is gonna be the best?
The best?
That's harder
Okay,
to
this
say.
is hard because I've actually had quite a few of
Okay,
them.
then which one do you think is gonna be the worst?
Okay, the two that frighten me the most are these two. Life Smart and Soul Cuisine. Soul Cuisine looks like the classic dry veggie patty.
Yeah.
Life Smart looks so white.
It looks more like cat food.
Yeah, it's strange.
There's a lot of
I also
smells.
think the PC one looks so like paste-like.
Gummy.
Yeah, I don't know if it's good. Like I've never had the PC one.
I had it.
But like it doesn't like there's no breakup. Like it's just a solid thing. Like the Life Smart is more solid, but you doing the smell test?
Yeah.
Does Beyond have the worst smell?
This one kind of reminds me of Beyond, but I know that it's...
Oh, Beyond has that Beyond smell.
This one smells kind of meaty to me. Zoglos.
Honestly, Impossible smells grosser than I remember it smelling.
This one smells like canned chicken. That's
Roadhouse smells like nothing.
not Co. It smells like canned chicken.
Yeah. Roadhouse smells like nothing.
Do you get like a
This-
smoky?
Yeah, it reminds me of Beyond a little bit,
Yeah.
but less gross.
You already know what this one smells like?
I mean, I've
You
never
get
smelled the
canned
raw
chicken?
patty. Oh my god, yeah!
Yeah!
100%!
That's weird!
Wow. Soul Cuisine, I bet, smells like nothing.
Yeah.
No, this legit has no smell. I don't smell a single thing from that.
Oh,
I smell frozen.
I smell something, but I don't know what.
Is this a weird thing to do?
No.
Oh, the PC's got a weird smell.
It's Beyond like.
And it's kind of got like a sweet smell to it.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna cook them up.
Now we're gonna cook them.
after we've sized them all up and we smelled them real good.
Time to cook.
Time to cook. Hello! We
All
have
right.
all of our cooked patties in front of us. This side of the table is questionable.
We have not arranged them in a specific order.
No.
This is just the way the cookie crumbles.
Yeah.
So where do you want to start?
I don't know. Where do you want to start? You pick the first one, then I'll pick the next one.
I don't
Or do we
know.
want to just go in on
Should we just
line?
work our way down?
Yeah, let's just start
do that.
over here.
So do you want to start with Zoe?
Sure.
Zoe
Works for me. We also have buns to compare sizing to.
If we need, yeah.
It's a little smaller than the bun. Slightly
And this is
smaller.
like your smallest
standard size bun.
Wonder Bread bun.
Okay, and we do have condiments if we want to try it with condiments, but
Oh, it smells
I don't smell it.
it's really like hammy. Like
It tastes like a breakfast sausage to me. Like, it doesn't have the seasonings of a breakfast sausage, but I get breakfast sausage vibes. I don't hate it, but it's not a burger.
yeah, I think I get more sausage than I get like a beef burger.
Yeah.
I don't hate it either.
Yeah, I'm
Texture is
surprised.
actually okay.
Mm-hmm.
Flavor is actually okay.
I would not use it as a burger. I would use it in a breakfast sandwich.
I think if I dressed it up as a burger though, I would be okay
You want
with
to try
it.
with some condiments?
Let's do it. Yeah. Yeah, that would work for me.
Yeah, I would accept that as a burger.
Acceptable.
Like, if I went to somebody's house and these are the ones
Yeah.
they grabbed because they were at the grocery store,
Yeah.
I would not be mad at that.
I would not be mad at them.
It would not be the ones I would buy probably, but it's not horrible.
Good to know that they are an okay option.
Yeah.
Okay, Seoul cuisine.
Looking questionable.
Oh boy.
It's like,
It's really that stereotypical veggie patty.
yeah, before like the faux meat started, technology really started coming in.
It smells like it too.
Oh my god.
It smells like a garden burger.
Okay, I actually don't hate it. It's like a classic garden veggie burger. What are you doing? Again, I think if someone bought this and I went to a backyard barbecue, I would not be mad about it because it's just a garden burger and I don't have anything against garden burgers. I would never buy it for myself,
Yeah.
but I don't hate the flavor. I really don't.
I would need really good toppings on it
Yeah.
to be happy. It's not going to satisfy if you have a burger craving.
No,
That's
not
for
at
sure.
all. This is like what you get at like Olive Garden or like those type of Kelsey's, like a veggie burger, and you're like, it's fine.
Honestly, the bar is too high now. I'm
Yeah.
sorry. I'm sorry.
But it's honestly not as dry as I thought it would be.
That's true. Okay, PC.
Honestly, this
President's
one,
Choice.
President's Choice and Life Smart are the ones I was the scaredest about after cooking.
It's pretty thick.
The size looks good, I think, for the bun though.
Yeah.
I think that, like, I would want it just slightly bigger, but I think it's still fine. Though it's thick. I don't want a patty this thick.
Okay, I don't even know what the
Oh.
smell is.
Oh. Oh, it's not a good smell. No, it's not a good smell. Oh, it's chewy. Not gummy, but it's like bouncy. I would pick the Seoul cuisine over the PC. It's got a weird taste too. I think this is the first one where if someone bought it for me in a backyard barbecue, I would be like, it's fine.
I'll have salad. No.
Like, I'd still eat it, but
There's
like,
a taste at the end sometimes, and I'm just like, what are you doing?
it's so bouncy.
Let's just like lather it up with mustard.
This is a big no. Do not buy this one.
President's Choice. Why do you keep doing this?
It's
to
weird.
us?
They do something so well and then something so terribly. No, this is my least favorite so far.
Mustard doesn't help.
Life Smart looks like a turkey burger.
Yep.
It's not promising. Oh, it smells like a garden burger. The size I like though.
Mm-hmm.
What am I tasting? Because that's not a good taste.
But also, there's a taste, but also there's a lack of taste. You know?
Yeah, it's like a void of taste.
Like I'm expecting there to be more, but there's nothing.
I don't like this. This is worse than the PC.
I don't know if it, because the thickness of the PC one, I think made it worse.
No, I think the flavor of this one is worse. There's something right at the end that actually is really gross to me. I don't know what it is, but I did not enjoy that. It's weird. It is a weird flavor of the Life Smart
You know
one.
what? Don't buy LifeSmart or PC.
The grocery stores in Canada aren't doing their brands justice.
They're
right
not
now.
there yet.
No. Beyond.
Oh, I wonder.
I wonder if this one's gonna be good.
I don't know what this one will be like.
The Beyond smell goes away when you cook it. Like, it's still subtly there, but it goes away when you cook it.
I put mustard on it already, but I already know what Beyond tastes like.
Beyond is so good.
So
I
often.
love Beyond.
I never cook it like this. I always flatten it.
Yeah, I always make it thinner.
But
Or I like to chop it up into chunks and add it to like a beef and broccoli or something like that. It's really good. I don't know how they do it. The one flaw about Beyond is the size of the patty is stupid. It's too thick and it's too, like, what is it?
Small.
Narrow? Small?
Yeah.
Not wide enough.
The radius is too small.
Oh, but it's so good.
Okay. Not Co.
Mm-hmm.
And we're just taking like little pieces out of all these burgers.
Mm-hmm.
Not too strong of a smell.
No.
Oh.
Okay, so I recently had this one because I just saw it at the grocery store. I actually really like it.
Is this the one that I said smelled, which is the one I said smelled like canned chicken?
That one.
It still tastes like it.
I don't know, I really like the flavor of this one. I think it tastes meaty, whether that's chicken or not, but...
Hey, I had nothing against canned
Yeah.
but
We had
that's
this...
all I taste.
I had this one with like all the fixins in a burger and I actually really liked it. I don't think it's the most convincing of the burgers I've had, but I do actually think the flavor is really good. It's nice. It's kind of sweet. Like it's got a sweetness to it.
Yeah, I would eat it.
I assume you like Beyond more than it?
I think so, but there's good potential.
Roadhouse.
It's very red, you know, or orange.
It's like a golden red, yeah. Golden orange.
Whereas some of them have a pinkish. This
Yeah.
feels more orange. Oh, but what's the inside?
Oh, but what's the inside?
Doesn't really have a smell.
These used to be my favorite. I would get these all the time. I really like these. I like them as just like a burger patty. Like I wouldn't break them up to make it a ground beef and anything else. But I think it works as a really good patty.
It's not as intensely meaty, which I'm okay with.
Yeah.
I don't always need a burger
Yeah.
to be super meaty. So I think they're pretty. It's pretty
It's sizable.
big patty but thin, which I also like.
You can get these at Costco, and they're so much cheaper than Beyond. You get it in a big box. I really like these. I've always liked them. I think they're really good.
Does it trump Beyond for you?
If I'm if I'm just doing a quick grilled burger, like backyard type thing, I'd probably go with Roadhouse. If I'm going with a fancier burger, I'd go with Beyond.
Okay.
And cook it on the stove.
And make it like nice and smash burger.
Yeah.
And
Yeah,
layer.
so that's the thing. I feel like there's two different purposes for these. This is like, oh, it's a backyard, we're chilling with a beer, all that kind of stuff on the grill. But I very rarely grill Beyond. I usually just pan fry it.
Okay.
All right.
Impossible.
Impossible, the final one.
The one that looks the most like your typical
Burger.
beef burger. Cooked
And
the
I think
same
is
way.
the most convincing typically to meat eaters.
It's rare on the inside.
It reminds me so much of ground beef. It's ridiculous.
Yeah.
I don't know how they did it. It reminds me so much of beef.
Like, how could you tell the difference?
I don't know. I think it's the most convincing without a doubt. But I also sometimes get freaked out.
Because it's so convincing.
And also I'm just used to the way veggie burgers taste and I'm like, whoa, this is so different. But like, it's like I've had this in a burger before and I'm like, I don't know if this is too convincing for me.
If you're really craving
Yeah,
a burger,
this'll do it.
burger, this is it. If you want to feed it to non-vegans, this is it.
It's wild.
So then,
Okay. What are there any that you would definitely not buy again? Yes.
yeah,
These two.
yeah, and I wouldn't buy Soul Cuisine for myself.
Yes, but you wouldn't be mad about having it.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, to be honest, I don't think I'd buy either of the first four. But the first two, Soul Cuisine and Zoglo's, if someone bought them, I would not be upset about eating them.
Yeah.
I would be upset about eating these
Yeah.
two. Like if someone's asking me, oh, what veggie burger do you want? I would just say anything but these two.
Yeah.
And then I have different uses for all of the last four.
Yeah, you can't go wrong with the last four.
Yeah, I think Notco, Roadhouse, and Impossible are great like backyard burgers, depending on the type of burger you want. Beyond, I love to use in other dishes that aren't burgers or a smash burger.
And actually, I think Impossible could be really good for a smash burger too.
Yes. Oh yeah.
So-
Absolutely. I think if you are looking for something that's on the cheaper side, Roadhouse is a really good option. Like it's more affordable than like $5 a patty for
my
Impossible.
Yeah, that's the problem. We can't like Impossible too much.
Like if you're trying to do a
Not in
plant-based,
this economy.
if you're trying to do a plant-based like barbecue with friends, just get the Roadhouse. Or like a mixture of the two.
Fine.
I just think these are so expensive.
It'll be fine. Okay, I know some of these might not be available in the States necessarily, but in the comments, let's talk about your favorite, your go-to burgers. If you have burgers for different purposes like we do, let's talk about burgers. And I hope this was helpful for your burger needs.
Yeah, I really want to know people's favorite and why. I think we had Beyond last time and we didn't like it.
Yeah, because we're still new to it.
Yeah.
I think we've gotten over that Beyond taste and stuff.
Yeah, and Beyond has changed their formula since then.
It's more subtle.
It's way better now.
All right, case closed. I don't think we could do a blind taste test with these.
You think we'd be able to tell immediately?
Yeah.
Well, let's try it.
I think they're too...
Close your eyes.
I think they're too distinct.
Close your eyes.
Okay. Not look good.
I will feed you.
You're gonna feed me or
Yeah.
hand me
I'll hand you the fork.
I'm gonna stab myself in the face. Wait, how do I hold the fork?
I don't know, but the tip is towards you.
How do I get...
So it's not obvious right away. So it's harder than you thought.
Okay. Oh, what if I insult another burger though?
That's okay. Honestly, this is more accurate. Is this on? This is more accurate of a taste test than looking at them and knowing the brand. So.
Okay, my first instinct is not Co.
Why? I'm just wondering.
The texture.
It is not Co. You are correct.
Yes!
I don't think I get it. Okay. And we just had bites of each. Oh.
Okay, give me...
I feel like I might insult a burger I like.
That's what I was afraid of too.
I'm stuck between Roadhouse or Zoglo's. I think it's Roadhouse.
You're right.
Oh, thank God. I was like, this is Roadhouse. I was like, but what if it's a crappy one?
I almost did those. So yeah.
It had a sweeter flavor to it.
I'm glad we weren't mean enough to like give each other
I
the
know.
bad ones. We're nice.
Yeah, we're nice.
Good job.
I think Beyond would be obvious.
Yeah. And impossible.